What's up, investors? After noticing recent headlines about LightSpeed stock going up 157%, it can definitely grab the attention of a lot of investors. So the actual question is LightSpeed stock worth getting now after it's already gone up 150%? The short answer is yes, but if you want to know why, then definitely stick around and let's find out. Hey subscribers, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing to keep getting all the latest information as soon as it's out. So first, we're going to start off with what LightSpeed actually does. It's a software-based company which provides two main services, one e-commerce and the second is point of sale. So with e-commerce, it's similar to Shopify, if you guys know what that is. They provide an all-in-one solution to restaurants, retail, and other related businesses to help save them time and cost by maximizing their presence online. So the second thing they do is point of sale. This is when customers are given the choice to buy their products online through their platform. And so far they've been doing a pretty good job of this because they've established offices in Canada, UK, US, Netherlands, and Belgium. So they have a pretty big presence worldwide. And there's literally hundreds of thousands of merchants on clunky legacy systems. And LightSpeed's omni-channel cloud-based solution is a perfect disruptor. The company is predicting more than 100% growth in 2021, so the story looks like it's just only getting started. To help you guys make better decisions and understand the company, we are going to dive right into the latest 2021 annual report of the company. And here they say that our software platforms provide our customers with the critical functionality they need to engage with consumers, manage their operations, accept payments, and grow their businesses. And they also say that most of their revenue is reoccurring, and we have a strong track record of growing revenue per customer over time. So this is a very important thing to note, because as their revenue is reoccurring, this helps their business operate much more efficiently, as they can now estimate how much revenue they will have next month and how much cash they will receive from that revenue to help spend in operating activities and even acquisitions to help them grow. So not only is their revenue reoccurring, but not one single customer provides them over 1% of their revenue. So even if they lose a few customers, it's not a big deal and it won't hurt their business because they just have so many different customers. And you can see their gross transaction volume is increasing steadily. In 2021, they experienced a 51% increase in their gross transaction volume, going up to 33.7 billion. So while their transaction volume increased 51%, their revenue from 2020 to 2021 actually increased 83%. It went from 120 million up to 221 million. And a lot of this growth is actually due to COVID, because a lot of these businesses were shut down and they didn't know how to operate anymore. And that's where kind of LightSpeed picked up and helped them all out. So they actually mentioned this in their annual report as well. So despite the ongoing risks and uncertainties, however, we continue to believe the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the retail and restaurant industries has accelerated the need for solutions as small and medium-sized businesses look to augment traditional in-person selling models with online and digital strategies. And they say that a large portion of the market is currently served by legacy on-premise systems that are expensive, complicated, and poorly equipped to help small and medium-sized businesses adapt to this immediate need. So this represents a significant opportunity for us to grow our customer base. And this is a perfect transition to let you guys know how many customers they actually have. They're in over 100 different countries worldwide. They have 140,000 customer locations around the world, and they're doing 33 billion USD in gross transaction volume. So although this company benefited a lot during COVID as they gained a lot more customers, their growth isn't going to just stop right there. I'm going to show you guys a quick clip of the CEO and what he has to say about this.
And you know, I think what's different about LightSpeed is as we've served the physical part of those businesses, the locations, and through COVID, a lot of those businesses have lit up the digital channels that we also offer on our omni-channel platform. So I think that as the reopenings happen, we're seeing customers that pivoted very much to digital to stay transactional now light up both. And all new business formation, I think is fair game for LightSpeed, and that's why we're quite bullish on what's about to happen in terms of the global reopening of the economies.
So there we just heard the CEO talk about the confidence that he has about the growth and the reopening of the economy. However, we do have to go over an ugly truth, but something that just can't be ignored. They did experience an operating loss of 124 million compared to 53 million in the prior period. And most of this is the 44 million that's based on stock-based compensation and related payroll taxes. So this is because in fiscal 2021, they completed an acquisition of Shopkeep, which is a leading cloud commerce platform provider for both retail and hospitality. And also they acquired Upserve, which is a leading restaurant management cloud-based software company. It's based in the US. And these acquisitions helped expand LightSpeed's US market presence, which allowed for an increase in investment in sales, marketing, and the research and development to capitalize on the increase in demand for the modern cloud-based and omni-channel commerce solutions. Alright guys, so every company needs innovation to grow its business, and that's possible if they collaborate or acquire the right companies that help them grow faster and in a cost-effective way. And despite LightSpeed facing a loss in 2020, we shouldn't ignore that the level of company-friendly acquisitions it's making since 2012 that's helping them get to this stage. And in the last 12 months, the average revenue per customer of the company has actually grown by 48%. So that proves that all these acquisitions they're doing are helping the company grow. And it is true the market does work in a zigzag manner, but within that area, an opportunity always stands for a sound investor who understands the company completely before investing. And analysts do agree with me here. They do see a 31% upside for the company at the current stock price right now. So keeping in mind everything we've understood in this video, I must say LightSpeed stock will not disappoint you, but I am not a financial advisor. So everything I say in these videos is only for educational purposes only and entertainment, of course. So please do your own due diligence. And lastly, I hope you guys like this video, as my goal is to help you guys make better decisions. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks.